Most people spend their lives working just to pay bills and hoping that someday things will get better. Meanwhile, the top 1% don't just make money, they make money work for them. The difference lies in how they think, how they make decisions, and how they interpret opportunities. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 mindset shifts the wealthy use to multiply their money and achieve financial freedom. If you apply them, you can start moving out of the 99% who only survive and join the 1% who actually thrive. Hi, I'm Lola, and welcome to Cash Loop. Shift number 1. Choose your environment wisely. Your mindset is contagious. The people you spend the most time with directly influence your results. Surround yourself with people who think big, who talk about goals, investments, and growth. If your circle doesn't reflect who you want to become, it's time to look for new relationships that push you forward. Shift number 2. Invest first, spend later. The 1% understand that true wealth isn't about what you earn, but how much you manage to keep, multiply, and build. Before spending on liabilities, they prioritize acquiring assets, real estate, businesses, education that gives a return. Their goal is to make passive income pay for their lifestyle, not their salary. While most people spend first and save what's left, the wealthy do the opposite. They pay themselves first and then adjust their expenses. Their priority is acquiring assets that grow over time, investments, properties, businesses, education that creates returns. And if you're not even saving monthly yet, here's a simple tip to start. Cut your expenses and set aside a fixed percentage of your income every month. You don't need to start with huge amounts. Begin with just 5% of what you earn. Once you master that, increase it to 10%, then 15%, and little by little build up until you're saving and investing 20% or even 30% of your income. This habit is the foundation for building wealth and breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck. Remember, wealth doesn't come all at once. It's built through consistency and smart decisions every month. Shift number 3. Make wealth a positive obsession. It's not luck, it's intention. Set a clear financial goal, write it down, visualize it every day, and connect with the emotion behind it. That positive obsession with your goal rewires your mind and helps you spot opportunities others overlook. Shift number 4. Plan and act fast. Dreaming is easy, but the 1% turn their dreams into plans and their plans into action. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create a clear roadmap and move forward with small but consistent steps. Here's a simple guide to start planning like the 1%. Define your main financial goal. Write it down specifically. How much money, in what time frame, and for what purpose? Example: I want to save $10,000 in 2 years to invest in a business. Break that goal into milestones. If it's $10,000 in 24 months, your monthly milestone is $417. This way, a big goal becomes achievable steps. Break it down into weekly and daily actions. Ask yourself, what can I do this week to move closer to that milestone? Example: cutting a small expense, setting aside savings the moment you get paid, or finding an extra source of income. Use the ready, aim, fire rule. Don't waste time waiting for perfect conditions. Prepare the basics, take quick action, and adjust as you go. Remember, imperfect action beats endless planning. Review and adjust every month. Ask yourself, did I move closer to my goal? What should I change? What should I keep? A plan is not static. It's a compass that guides you and can be recalibrated as you progress. The 1% don't win because they have a perfect plan. They win because they move, learn, and adjust faster than everyone else. And one extra tip: those $417 shouldn't just sit in a piggy bank under your mattress. Put them into an investment. and you'll reach your goal faster than you think. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to Cash Loop so you don't lose track of this channel and start transforming your reality into a more abundant and peaceful life. I'm going to show you what financial freedom really means and how you can start building it right now. That's my promise to you. Shift number 5. Speak the language of possibility. The 1% understand that the words you repeat daily become your reality. Limiting beliefs are like an invisible brake that keep you from moving forward. Let's identify some phrases you might be repeating unconsciously. Number 1. Money is bad, or I don't work for money. Replace that with, money is a tool that allows me to create freedom and help others. Money amplifies who you already are. And if you're watching this video, I have no doubt you're someone amazing who wants to become the best version of yourself. Number 2, I'm not good with finances, or my partner handles that stuff. Replace that with, I can learn to manage money step by step. Managing your finances is not an innate talent. It's a skill you can learn. And mastering it gives you freedom and the power to achieve your true goals. Number 3, to get rich, you need luck. Replace that with, wealth is built through education, habits, and consistent action. Luck does exist, but it only finds you if you're prepared and ready to seize the opportunity. Luck may help, but true wealth is built with habits and action. Number 4, I wasn't born to be rich. Replace that with, I can develop the skills I need to create abundance. It doesn't matter where you were born, what matters is who you become. If you stay stuck on what you didn't get, you'll never reach what you can achieve. Number 5, if I make more, I'll lose my personal life, or I don't have time to learn. Replace that with, I can design income streams that give me more free time. Well-designed wealth doesn't take time away from you, it gives it back. The best investment is always education, but only if you put it into practice. When you change your inner dialogue, you start opening your mind to new opportunities. The 1% don't ask if something is possible. They ask, what do I need to do to make it happen? That small adjustment shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance and connects you with resources, ideas, and solutions you used to overlook. Shift number 6. Consistency over luck. Luck may help, but it doesn't build wealth. The true driver is perseverance. The 1% understand that every attempt, even the ones that fail, is a step forward. They never wait, they always act. Shift number 7. Build income that doesn't depend on you. Time is the most valuable resource. That's why they create systems, investments, and businesses that generate income even when they're not working. The ultimate goal is freedom, to make money work for you, not the other way around. Now you know the 7 mindset shifts that set the 1% apart from the rest. Start by applying just one today. Even if it's a small one, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. And if you want to dive deeper into this way of thinking, I recommend 2 books that have transformed the mindset of millions worldwide. Number 1, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Harv Eker. This book helps you identify the unconscious beliefs you hold about money and how they affect your financial results. It shows you how to replace limiting patterns with thought habits that generate wealth. Number 2, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. An absolute classic. You'll learn that all wealth begins with a burning desire, a clear goal, and unwavering faith. Hill shares timeless principles like autosuggestion, persistence, and the power of surrounding yourself with a mastermind that accelerates your growth. Both books are practical guides to start reprogramming your mindset and getting closer to that 1% who achieve financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 mindset shifts are you going to start applying today? Leave it in the comments because your experience might inspire someone else in this community. And if you want to keep learning how to transform your relationship with money, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. See you in the next loop.